Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we discuss about bias in AI. Artificial intelligence is everywhere, from recommending your next favorite song to helping doctors diagnose diseases. But what if I told you that AI isn't as neutral as it seems? In fact, AI can sometimes be biased. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of bias in AI, how it happens, why it matters, and what we can do to fix it. Let's get started. First, what do we mean by bias in AI? Bias occurs when an AI system produces unfair or prejudiced results, often favoring one group over another. For example, imagine an AI hiring tool that consistently rejects resumes from women, or a facial recognition system that struggles to identify people with darker skin tones. These aren't just hypotheticals, they've happened in real life. So how does bias creep into AI? It usually starts with the data. AI systems learn from the data they're trained on. If that data is biased, the AI will be too. For instance, if a facial recognition system is trained mostly on light-skinned faces, it'll perform poorly on darker skin tones. Similarly, if historical hiring data favors men, an AI hiring tool might learn to do the same. There are three main types of bias in AI. 1. Data bias, when the training data isn't representative of the real world. 2. Algorithm bias, when the AI model itself amplifies existing biases. 3. Human bias, when the people designing the AI unintentionally introduce their own biases. Each of these can lead to unfair outcomes, from discriminatory hiring practices to unequal access to loans or healthcare. Let's look at some real-world examples. In 2019, an AI used in U.S. hospitals was found to favor white patients over black patients for medical treatments. In another case, a popular AI recruiting tool was found to downgrade resumes that included the word women's, like Women's Chess Club. These examples show how bias in AI can have serious consequences, reinforcing inequality instead of solving it. So, how can we fix bias in AI? Here are 3 key steps. 1. Improve the data. Ensure training data is diverse and representative of all groups. 2. Test for bias. Regularly audit AI systems to identify and correct biases. 3. Diverse teams. Include people from different backgrounds in AI development to catch biases early. By taking these steps, we can build AI systems that are fairer and more inclusive. Bias in AI isn't just a technical problem, it's a societal one. AI has the power to shape our world, from healthcare to education to criminal justice. If we don't address bias, we risk creating a future where AI perpetuates inequality instead of solving it. But the good news? We have the tools to fix it. By being aware of bias and taking action, we can ensure AI works for everyone. And that's the story of bias in AI. It's a challenge, but one we can overcome with the right tools and mindset. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.